We're going to create a fragrance brand in under 1 minute using AI. Here we go. The first step is to head on over to Midjourney and type in this prompt: abstract bottle of perfume by Emmanuelle Moureaux, pink and orange tones. And here's 3 of my favorite options that Midjourney gave me. Next, we're going to head on over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt: give me a list of 25 modern and succinct names for a perfume brand. My favorite from the list was Bluma. Next, we're going to head back on over to Midjourney and type in this prompt. It's the same as the original. I just typed in rectangular box. The one on the top right is my favorite. It looks like it'll fit the perfume bottle as well. Next, we're going to head on over to Photoshop and put a logo on the box. It's just the font that I used. It looks pretty good. Next, we're going to put one of the bottles next to the box and create a cool graphic behind it. So I'm just using Photoshop's generative fill feature, and I typed in this prompt to get the background surrounded by pink and orange flowers in water. It's going to give us 3 options. Here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. I like the second one best. I think that looks pretty awesome. And we just did it in under 60 seconds. Don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.